Okay, come on, let's start it. Press the button. Okay? Alright. Hello, everybody, to another FM Signals Info Show video edition. My name is still Damir Galc from good old Germany, and welcome to our technical analysis news update. Meanwhile, on Friday, our technical analysis review. Okay, it's Friday, day after Thanksgiving. Meanwhile, 1939 Central European time here in Berlin, Stuttgart, or even 1340 or 1940 right here right now. Day after Thanksgiving. So happy day after Thanksgiving, and let's get a review about our trading capabilities of this week. This week was very inline, great positions. It was a scary week, amazing week, and aftermath. Okay, well done. Here, our trading capability from Monday. Monday night, euro dollar here to go long after this, and we see here we've got a great recovery in the euro dollar. Meanwhile, by 129.17.2 here on Friday evening, and yes. Well done. So the second trading capability, euro Norwegian krone to sell. We are here. Yes, we are now here in the yellow line. So I tried even to how do you say in English? Yes, to create a hedge, go long euro dollar and euro Norwegian krone to sell. Yeah, we were in a green line, but today we saw here also the euro across the board and recovery. We will see what will happen next week. But yes, here on Friday we've got here perhaps not so many active traders. Perhaps this recovery on Friday is not so, how do you say in English, constructive. However, we will see on Monday. But here on this trade, I would, we are not in the money in the red zone, if you want. So one green trading capability, euro dollar and euro Norwegian krone in the red zone. The third trading capability, by the way, it's New Zealand dollar and chief, and this was, in my opinion, here on Tuesday. Yes, Tuesday morning Central European time. Here a great capability to sell New Zealand dollar chief. So slightly prefer to buy the chief and sell the New Zealand dollar, and we see after map it's in line. We are still in a slightly downside trend. So, yes, all in all, I would slightly prefer the short side in this cross trade. Okay, chief Singapore dollar, a great one. So we see here, we traded here on Wednesday evening Central European time to new weekly highs and new last week highs that we braked above, and we did it yesterday. And here on Friday, the chief slightly goes higher, and Singapore dollar lower. So we are, yes, good in the money, good in the money. So if you want 3 green trades and 1 red one. The pound Canadian dollar also in the green money here. If you remembered our economic news update from Thursday morning, here slightly to prefer to buy Canadian dollar, for example against the Japanese yen, and even to create a hedge against the pound. So long Canada dollar against the yen and short against the pound. So even buy as an cross, yes, as an hedge, buy pound Canadian dollar. Remember our economic news update with the capability of an outbreak of the Canadian dollar. So when we see here slightly, we are still in a great upside trend, and I see here great potential. So a little bit disappointment here of this movement, but we are still in a trend. So enjoy the ride, yes, enjoy the ride for one, yes, great. And the last trade yesterday, pound US dollar. Here we were here yesterday morning Central European time here on weekly highs, get new highs, new lows, and now we are great in the money. So if you want, we've got this week five trades in the money: pound US dollar, pound Canadian dollar, chief Singapore dollar, New Zealand chief, and euro dollar. By the way, euro Norwegian krone, out of the money, or here still in the yellow, perhaps in the yellow zone, wherever you bought. However, 5 trades, 5 win trades, 1 lost. Great week. Great week in our technical analysis news update. And next week, another trading capabilities, and analyze the stuff again, guys. It's still yours. I forgot to say, next week, central banks news updates on central banks news updates on Monday night, Sunday evenings, New York time, and next week I will also created videos, so analyze the stuff again, guys. It's still yours. I'm over and out. Have a great weekend. It's meanwhile 19:47 Central European time, or even 13:47 New York time. Bye bye, guys. Talking to you Sunday evening New York time, or even Monday night, Monday morning, before or while the Asian trading session. Bye bye, guys. Have a great weekend.
It's all a matter of mistake. to react. Can't make no judgment, it's all a matter of pride. We keep on pushing the vibe deep inside. You love the way we trip, the way we glide. Can't make no judgment, it's all a matter of mistake. You love the way we take you world and twist and shock it up, lift that. Can't make no judgment, it's all a matter of opinion. We like our thoughts to be heard by millions of people. Sounds of logical progression, spreading the message from the highest steeple. Can't make no judgment, it's all a matter of fact. Because you love it like that, it'll make it harder for you not to react. You can't make no judgment, it's all a matter of opinion. I like our thoughts to be heard by millions. Ain't no progress without a struggle. And I'm watching the rats leave the pot to watch the pot bubble, but quick. On the double, it's down to a simmer. Cooking up the mind to deliver a winner. In a second, the glance and the flash and the shimmer, we make you shiver. Our sound bless the sinner. Sublimity energy just keeps on building. God bless the path of the musical children, walking the steps of change, going forward bound. Music's taking you to higher ground, and I have found the deeper we go, the higher then we climb. Music's making progress in your mind. Get it in tune with the powers of the mystical flow. Something I got to see, got to do, got to know. Yo, when money speaks, the truth is silent, but we don't need no money for the true enlightenment. Cause we're already hyped up, psyched up, ready for combat. Do something logical, you say, how they do that? We put mad skills on the borderline, but we always cope. And if you take big mouthfuls, you always choke. And I don't need no daddy to line up my pocket. Cause logical, freestyle, profile, programmed to rock it. Won't stop it till the man is begging mercy on his knees. And baby can't be covered cause he feels relieved. And please, I will flip and balance all that is lopsided. Already decided how the music's gonna be provided. Wide access worldwide, keep it real, and the feel's got to be live. But you were smart in the dark, you cannot hide. Cause your program is crashed and your access is denied. Session in twisting, but logical's a rhyme mission, cause logical